there, learners. I'm Samantha Ignacio, and now let me introduce to you the chords and arcs of a circle. Go on, circle, don't be shy. Circle! A circle is a set of points equidistant from a given point called the center of the circle. Now here's a figure, and here's how you name circle. It is circle C. Next, chord. Chord is a segment whose two endpoints are on the circle. Here, like this, there's two endpoints. And here are the name of the chords. Line segment AB, or line segment BA. Line segment AD, or line segment DA. Line segment BE, or line segment EB. Line segment CF, or line segment FC. In total, 4 chords. Radius. Radius is a distance from the center to any point in the circle. It also has this half measurement of the diameter, like in here. Here's the radius. Distance from the center to any point in the circle, point M, S to M. So in here we have the line segment SM or MS. Diameter. Diameter is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. It is also known as the longest chord. So a diameter is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. Like in here, it passes through. It is also the longest chord. To name it, we have the line segment MD or DM. Let's go to the examples. In here, you can pause the video to jot down your answer, then resume to check your answer. Identify the chords, radii, and diameters here in the figure. And again, you can pause the video to answer. Chords. Okay, now for the first chord is line segment FC or line segment CF, line segment FG or line segment GF, line segment DE or line segment ED. Now next, radii. Line segment BA or line segment AB, line segment BF or line segment FB, line segment BG or line segment GB. Next, diameter. Okay, our one and only diameter, line segment FG or line segment GF. Next, we're going to talk about the arcs. An arc is a portion or part of a circle that consists of two endpoints. Here are the two endpoints, the point M and the point D. Name of the arc, arc MD, because we connect the M to the D, like that. Okay, now for the three types of arcs. First is the major arc. The major arc measures more than 180 degrees, meaning it is more than a half of a circle. We all know that the whole circle measures 360 degrees, so the half of it is 180 degrees. A major arc is more than that. And also, to name it, we use 3 letters. In here we have the arc MCD, which is there, the arc MCD. Second arc is the minor arc, quite the opposite of the major arc. The minor arc is less than 180 degrees. meaning it is less than the half of a circle. To name a minor arc, we use two letters. Arc MD, which is here, arc MD. Last but not the least, a semicircle. Now here, the semicircle equals to 180 degrees, meaning it is the half of a circle. To name it, we use three letters. Here we have the arc MED, but also we have the arc MOD, because it is a half. So we get two parts. Okay, now again for the examples. You can also pause then answer the video. So in this figure, we need to identify and name the given arcs on the circle. First are the minor arcs. The minor arcs are arc ED and arc QE. Next are the major arcs. The major arcs here are the arc EQD, arc ETD, arc QTE, and arc QDE. Last one, semicircle. Okay, for the semicircles, we have the arc QED and the other half, the arc QTD. And now for the last activity. So now, we need to identify the parts of the circle based on the given figure. So the first one is the line segment AC, which is a diameter. The second one is the line segment BA, which is a radius. Third one is an arc DC, which is the minor arc. Fourth one is the arc AEC, which is a semicircle. Then fifth, line segment EA, which is a chord. Then the last one, arc CAD, which is a major arc. Kamea time! Thank you very much for watching, and remember, stay awesome.